po.
R&R dito.
So hindi kayo yung marigala talaga sa isa't
Hindi
isa?
po talaga.
Summer plans mo this year?
Oh my God, sana beach. Gusto ko talaga bumalik ng beach but this time for vacation naman. Kasi yung
Naikot
last
nyo na
time,
yata lahat ng mga magagandang beaches, di ba?
Hindi pa po. Pero, Maldives pa, Bali pa.
Palubog na.
Calagua, you should try.
Wala po
Calagua.
siya. Thank you so much. May pa-last question ako.
Hindi ko ba nami-miss ng teleserye?
Thank you. Dito, nakista kita. Last question ako dito.
Mas gusto ko mag-focus sa mga basic.
Last question po si Alan. Lance, last question. How do you feel when people say that parang you're copying somebody else's style?
Parang wala. I think I have my own style. And I look for inspiration like from other celebrities, Hollywood celebrities. So,
Thank you
I don't
so
know.
much.
And I think I'm ano naman, I have my own individuality. So I don't see anything na parang nakakopyahin ko.
Thank you po.
Thank you,
Thank
thank
you
you.
so much.
Goodbye.
Based on the trailer, nakakatawa siya, parang may mga horror kasi nakita ko yung technique sa dulo. So I was talking to Carlo Aquino kanina sa urban, magical realism.
Yes, actually wala siyang bahay pang horror, which is surprising for a lot of people kasi ang nisip talaga nila because may tikbala, horror or thriller.
Right. What is it?
It's actually romance. It's a love story. It's about finding yourself.
Is this something out of your comfort zone considering na nasanay kami as a viewer watching you with James on screen?
I mean, for sure, yeah. Pero kasi, the story itself kasi, it's actually close to me. Parang yung naging journey kasi ni Maya dito is also my journey. It's still my journey until now. I mean, yung journey niya to self-love. So, yun, until now naman, nandun pa rin naman ako sa
May ilang highlights ba from the movie that you can relate to real life?
I guess yung part kasi na si Maya mahilig siyang umasa. Tapos pagka na-disappoint siya, sobrang disappointed siya na parang hindi na siya makamove. Before I used to be like that, but then eventually I learned to accept na lang and like tell myself na maybe it's not for you, so maybe there's something better for you.
Sa'yo in real life, ano yung inasahan mo na hindi dumating sa'yo? Tapos parang frustrate ka?
A lot of things, but little things lang. But because, ano kasi ako very, ano tawag dito, very, ano kasi ako overthinker. So kahit maliliit na bagay, nag-overanalyze talaga.
Kanina kasi si Carlo, sabi niya sa akin, Maya daw is really close to who he is. Pero kayo nagsinabi, mas mo siya napansin.
Actually, we have a scene kasi na impromptu lang siya. Meron lang kami binigay na point sa amin ni Tere. And then the rest, parang kami na ni Carlo yung, parang sa amin na talaga siya galing. So I think yun yung eksena na.
Would you consider that as the most challenging part of this? Or meron pa ibang event din? Most challenging doing this movie?
Actually, dito sa movie na to, parang sobrang nag-enjoy lang. Ano kasi, I think it's the environment, it's the set, it's the rep also, and Carlo, and all the other cast. Parang perfect siya. Parang perfect, parang puzzle kaming lahat na fall into place na lang. And everything is, ano lang, breezy lang.
There was a good balance of everything.
Sobrang balance lahat.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So much.